In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use groups in your Wix website to enhance your online community. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to get your groups up and running smoothly. First, we're going to start by heading to the Wix website editor. You can access this from your Wix account dashboard after logging in. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find a menu titled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on this option. Next, you'll see a variety of elements that you can add to your site, but today we are focusing on the Community section. Click on Community, which will present you with further options to build and engage your audience. From here, you'll select Groups. This feature allows members of your site to connect, share, and communicate based on common interests or goals. It's a fantastic way to build a tight-knit community within your website. Now, let's add a group to your site. Click on Add Groups. This action will incorporate a new group element into your page layout, and you can place it just where you'd like it to appear. You should now see groups represented on your page. Click on it. Once clicked, you have the opportunity to manage these groups, which is an essential part of maintaining an active and vibrant community. Navigating to manage groups, you can oversee everything about your community spaces, like who joins and the content being shared. This area is crucial as it gives you control over the dynamics within your groups, ensuring they align with the purpose and goals of your website. Now, let's move on to make some visual adjustments for better integration with your site's design. Click on Settings in the same menu. Here you can configure how your groups function, ensuring they meet the desired operational needs of your community. After that, you'll go to Layout. In the Layout settings, you can choose how elements within your groups are arranged, which helps in maintaining a clean and user-friendly aesthetic. Subsequently, click on Display. The display settings allow you to decide which elements are visible to group members, optimizing the user experience by highlighting the most crucial features. Next, head to Text, where you can edit the text fields within your groups, giving you freedom to craft messages and descriptions that reflect your site's tone and purpose. Finally, let's talk a bit about the Design tab. This is where you can fine-tune the appearance of your groups, ensuring they match your brand's style with custom colors, fonts, and backgrounds. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized groups on your Wix website, tailoring them to foster a robust community engagement that keeps your audience returning. Keep experimenting with these options to find the best fit for your site's unique needs.